If you do not like mosquitoes and love being outside, you're absolutely going to love these patches. These repel mosquitoes, which are really awesome. They work really well. We've been using these for I don't even know how long. And we really like these a lot because they do come in kids design. They are fine for kids. They also work for adults. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these patches. They do smell like citronella. This is what you're going to get right over here. We're going to get 48 of these, and they are good for adults as well. What I do like is that they did kind of make, I would say these are kid friendly right over here, the designs, but like for adults it's nice. And then they do have like really nice designs for kids as well. You got like some dog stuff over here, some kind of superhero stuff going on. These last for about 4 to 6 hours. And what I like about them is you don't have to worry about getting spray or anything like that. What you're going to want to do with these is you're going to just want to take one off just like this, and you're just going to put it on a piece of clothing. You don't want to apply this directly to anything but the clothing you're on that you're wearing. There really isn't a suggested like how many you should put on per se. But if you put like one on here, you could put one on your shorts if you wanted to. You'll see here you barely notice it. They do have a citronella smell to them. They will last about 4 to 8 hours, depending. They are waterproof. They definitely are not too overpowering when it comes to the smell over here. And then they have like the distinctive use right over here. So you're gonna want to do if you're 0 to 2 years old, you're gonna want to do 1 to 2 patches. If you're 3 to 5, 2 to 3 patches at a time. And then 6 and over, they recommend 4. So in terms of 4, I would say like one on your arm, one on your other arm, and then two on your pants or shorts or whatever. One thing to note too is if you're not using these for the full time, I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this. I literally just put them back on right over here. And you'll notice when they're no good anymore, when they don't smell as much. And I always put them back in this bag. So this is a zippered bag. You're going to want to make sure this is zipped up so you kind of keep everything good to go with these. You don't want to leave them because they're going to kind of lose the scent a little bit. Um, but overall, really like these a lot. Again, if you are looking for a great way to not have to use spray and all this stuff that's not so great in there, definitely check these out. Really like these a lot. You could literally just stick them anywhere on your clothing. You could put them on a stroller. You could put them on a chair. There's just so many different uses for this, and these are easy to take with you pretty much anywhere. Easy packet. You get 48. They sell all different sizes as well. So if you're looking to get away from the mosquitoes, definitely check these out. These work really well, and we'll be using these all summer.